Today we're going to check the oil and the gauze filter on a Yanmar L48N engine. First, to check the oil, simply unscrew the oil plug and check the level. Your oil should be at the suggested mark. If your oil is below the suggested mark, you should top it up. Ensure you use the right oil for your engine and fill responsibly. If you need to, you can completely change your oil. To do this, unscrew the 17mm oil drain plug using a 17mm spanner, and this will allow you to drain the engine. You may need to change the seal on the drain plug as these can become worn. When you screw the drain plug back in, make sure it's secure to prevent leaks. To access the gauze filter, you need to unscrew the 10mm bolt which sits on the right side of it using a 10mm spanner. Once the nut is detached, you can remove the gauze filter by using pliers. Check over the gauze filter for any debris or blockages. It is also important to check the seals on the gauze to make sure they are free from wear or damage. If damaged, replace if necessary. Place the filter back into the engine and fix it so the hole for the screw is still visible. Once in place, you can screw the gauze into position. Then return to tighten to ensure that there is no movement. That's how you check the oil and the gauze filter on a Yanmar L48N. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.